Are you looking for the best electric guitars? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best electric guitars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Grote Full-Scale Semi-Hollow Electric Guitar. It sounds like you're looking for confirmation or a summary of the Grote Full-Scale Semi-Hollow Electric Guitar. Natural finish, specs. Here's a refined breakdown. Grote Full-Scale Electric Guitar. Semi-hollow body. Key features. Trademark and truss rod cover. Laser-engraved anti-fake trademark with a metal truss rod cover featuring an engraved logo. Full-size scale. 24.75-inch scale length for a comfortable playing experience. Fingerboard and body. Blackwood fingerboard, Canadian maple neck and body. Pickups and controls. Humbucker pickups for a warm, full tone. Comes with volume/tone knobs for sound customization. Frets and nut width. 22 frets, 42 mm nut width, with inlays for better visibility. Quality and accessories. Build and finish. The finish is smooth, and the fretboard is comfortable for playing. Pre-tuned for shipping. Strings are adjusted loosely to prevent damage during transport. Once stretched, it holds tune well. Included accessories. Tuner, clips onto the headstock, turns on automatically, and shuts off when removed. Strap. Comfortable and functional. Extras. Additional set of strings and picks included. Playability and sound. Once tuned, the neck feels great, and the sound is warm with good presence. Holds tune well after extended play. Number 2. ZENY 30-inch Kids Electric Guitar. The ZENY 30-inch Kids Electric Guitar is an excellent starter kit designed specifically for young, aspiring musicians. Its compact size and comprehensive accessory bundle make it ideal for beginners. Key features. Size and design. A 30-inch right-handed electric guitar tailored for children, ensuring a comfortable playing experience. Construction. Crafted from solid wood with a smooth, attractive finish and equipped with steel strings for durability. Amplifier. Includes a 5-watt amplifier, perfect for practice sessions and small performances. Accessories. Comes with a gig bag for easy transportation, a shoulder strap, a cable cord, replacement strings, and guitar picks. Portability. The nylon carrying case is ideal for traveling musicians and provides convenient storage. This guitar is ready to use straight out of the box, making it a hassle-free choice for beginners. It's available in multiple colors, including blue, pink, and black, allowing young players to choose their preferred style. ZENY.US. For more information or to make a purchase, you can visit the official ZENY website or check out their listings on major retailers like Amazon and Walmart. Number 3. Donner DLP 124B. The Donner DLP 124B is a full-size, 39-inch electric guitar designed for beginners seeking quality and affordability. Its classic LP-style solid basswood body and Canadian maple neck provide a comfortable playing experience. The Laurelwood fretboard features 22 copper-nickel frets, ensuring durability and smooth playability. Equipped with 2 Donner signature humbucker pickups, a 3-way pickup switch, and master volume and tone controls, this guitar offers versatile sound options suitable for various music genres. The kit includes essential accessories such as a gig bag, strap, and cable, making it a comprehensive package for beginners. us.donnermusic.com. Number 4. Fesley 39-inch LP Electric Guitar Kit. The Fesley 39-inch LP Electric Guitar Kit, model FLP 350, is a full-size solid-body electric guitar tailored for beginners seeking quality and playability. Its classic LP design, combined with modern features, makes it a versatile choice for various music genres. Key features. Body and neck. Crafted with a poplar body and a mahogany neck, the guitar offers a balanced tone with enhanced sustain. Fingerboard. Equipped with a teakwood fingerboard featuring 22 frets, providing a smooth playing experience. Pickups. Fitted with dual humbucker pickups, it delivers a powerful and warm sound suitable for rock, blues, and more. Control knobs. Features 3 control knobs, 2 for volume adjustment and 1 for tone control, allowing precise sound customization. Finish. Boasts a vintage matte finish that combines classic aesthetics with modern comfort. Included accessories. Gig bag. For convenient storage and transport. Cable. To connect the guitar to an amplifier or audio interface. This comprehensive kit provides beginners with essential tools to start their musical journey. The Fesley FLP 350 is available for purchase on platforms like Amazon and Reverb. Number 5. Donner 41-inch Acoustic Electric Guitar Full-Size Kit. The Donner 41-inch Acoustic Electric Guitar Full-Size Kit is an excellent choice for both beginners and intermediate players seeking a versatile instrument with comprehensive accessories. Key features. Full-size design. The 41-inch cutaway body provides a comfortable playing experience and easy access to higher frets. Quality construction. Crafted with a spruce top, the guitar offers a rich, bright sound with balanced tone and full mid-range. Amazon.com. Built-in preamp. Equipped with a built-in preamp for amplified use, suitable for performances and practice sessions. Included accessories. Amplifier. A portable amplifier for enhanced sound output. Capo. 4 easy key changes. Picks. Various picks to suit different playing styles. Tuner. A digital clip-on tuner to ensure accurate tuning. Extra strings. A set of replacement strings. Strap. A comfortable strap for standing performances. This comprehensive kit provides everything needed to start playing immediately, making it ideal for those new to the guitar or looking to upgrade their current setup.